Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by shifting to the easiest gear so the chain is slack. This makes removal predictable. Once done, flip or mount the bike and secure it. Make sure it won't move. Use gloves to keep a grip and a rag to catch grease. Next, inspect for a master link. If present, position link pliers and align them. If no master link, have a chain tool ready to push a pin partially out. This is the first actionable step to separate the chain. Now you tackle the actual separation. If the chain has a master link, squeeze the clip and pull the halves apart while guiding the chain with your free hand. If using a chain tool, position the chain so the pin is centered, then drive the pin out slowly until the link separates. Don't push it completely through unless you plan to replace the pin. Meanwhile, steady the derailleur so springs don't snap the chain. Once free, feed the chain off the chainring carefully. With the chain off, slide it out from the cassette and chainrings and lay it flat for inspection. Look for stiff links, rust, or stretch. If you're cleaning, degrease and lube thoroughly. If replacing, thread the new chain through the derailleur and join with the correct master link direction. Once reconnected, shift through all gears and test ride gently to confirm smooth operation. Troubleshooting tip: if shifting skips, check chain length and derailleur limit screw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.